Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows Defender icon is missing from the taskbar system tray on your Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager, and now on left side select startup apps, and just need to full screen, and now you just need to right click on the security health SYS tray and now select enable. After doing this, close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can able to see Windows security in the system tray guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.